Hi everyone, my name is Lia and welcome to the kitchen. This week it is Cinco de Mayo, so we're going to be celebrating this Mexican holiday by making a very special dish. We will be making a margarita chicken with a tequila guacamole. Let's get started. For this recipe, there are two parts. For the margarita chicken portion, we will be using some boneless, skinless chicken breasts, honey, vegetable oil, tequila, cumin, minced garlic, jalapeno peppers, oranges, limes, some salt to taste, and cilantro. And then, for the tequila guacamole, we will be using avocados, onion, grape tomatoes, some paprika, more cilantro, limes, freshly squeezed orange juice, jalapeno peppers, and more tequila.
Begin by cutting 1 pound of boneless, skinless chicken breasts into thin 2-inch strips. Then, transfer the cut chicken strips to a large, clean gallon Ziploc bag. Remove the top and cut a jalapeno in half. Then carefully remove the inner membranes and seeds of the pepper. During this, I'm wearing some rubber gloves to prevent any burning from the hot pepper. Then, cut the jalapeno into thin strips lengthwise. Following, dice the jalapeno into small pieces. Transfer the diced jalapeno to the plastic bag with the chicken. While I'm still wearing the gloves, I'm quickly going to cut up and dice a second jalapeno pepper to set aside in a small bowl to use for the guacamole later. Zest the skin of 4 limes. I'm using a zester, but you can also use a fine grater. Add half of the lime zest to the bag. Then squeeze all the juice from the limes into a small bowl or juicer. Measure 1/4 cup of the lime juice and pour it into the bag over the chicken. Next, measure 1/4 cup of tequila and pour it into the bag. Add 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil to the chicken. Add about a teaspoon of minced garlic and sprinkle in about a teaspoon of cumin. Finely chop a heaping 1/4 cup of fresh cilantro. And add the cilantro to the bag. Squeeze the juice from a whole orange and add 2 tablespoons of orange juice to the chicken. Then add about 1 tablespoon of honey. Unroll the bag and squeeze out any of the excess air and tightly seal it. Begin to shake and move the chicken and marinade around to thoroughly combine and coat. Place the chicken in the fridge and allow to marinate for 2 hours. For the guacamole, cut off 1/3 of an onion and cut it into thin strips. And finally dice it. Transfer the diced onion to a bowl. Cut and quarter a handful of grape tomatoes. And add them to the bowl. Cut open an avocado and scoop 2 to 3 whole avocados for the guacamole into the bowl. Add 2 tablespoons of lime juice, 1 tablespoon of orange juice, a 1/4 cup of chopped cilantro, 1 diced jalapeno pepper, the remaining lime zest, and 1 tablespoon of tequila. Combine with a spoon to mix and break up the avocado. Sprinkle some salt to taste and some paprika as well. Stir again to combine. In a large sauté pan, add the marinated chicken with all the juice and sauce. Turn the heat on medium and gently stir the chicken while allowing all the pieces to fully cook through. To finish and serve, add a few scoops of the margarita chicken to a plate. Then add a couple spoonfuls of the tequila guacamole. End by adding a handful of tortilla chips.
Thank you so much for joining me in the Cinco de Mayo video special. The margarita chicken and the tequila guacamole look and smell divine. I hope you all enjoy it as much as I do. If you're interested in the recipe, click the link in the description box below. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more delicious recipes.